So today we're going to do two guys testing at once. We want to test some of your knowledge. So I'm going to ask you about some stuff that's on the table here. You're going to identify to me what it is, what its purpose is. And then after, we're going to do a brazing test. Okay? So we've got a little test sheet here. I'm going to show you the way I braze. Okay. Just to give you an example of both time and quality. Okay? You guys happy with that?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
No? Okay.
So this is a test we put all our HVAC technicians through, HVAC installers. It's just a straightforward copper brazing test. Obviously, copper brazing is a really important skill to have, especially in New Zealand if you're on the HVAC side of things. So we're going to get these boys into it now and see how they go.